how to install Startpos Switcher for Geometry Dash. What you need to do is open Google Chrome or any browser you like and then search for GEODE Geometry Dash. Click on first link, then click on download, then click on download for Windows. Here run the installer and then click on OK, then click on next again, and then let it install. After installing, just finish this and then open the game and then click on this second last button. Here you have to click on this download button and then search for Startpos. Here just click on get and then click on install. Now click on restart now, and once the game restarts, go over to the installed, and here you'll see Startpos Switcher. Just click on view. Now click on this gear button, and then here you'll see the buttons how to use this. So yes, just use it as you like, and yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.